Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Taobao Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you how to separately delete goods from your cart on Taobao Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yahoo. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want to procure link on 168, Taobao, pinduoduo, or Alipay, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your cart on Taobao shopping app. Having opened up your cart, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the top right here. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and delete any products you want to delete from the cart. For instance, I want to delete this particular one right here. So go ahead and click on the trash can and it will be deleted without any stress. It's that simple. You can go now on and delete as many as possible products from the cart on your Taobao account. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to ship and import products from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.